What's up, one all, Steve 2008 here. Today I'm just going to be doing a unboxing video of some Asics runners I recently bought. So it's been a while since I did a video, so I'm just gonna jump straight into the video right now. So these are the runners that I got today. They are the Asics Novablast 5 Tokyo edition. So UK size 9. So some peach and white. That's them there. Orange. So let's jump into it. Ooh. Very nice. First time seeing them in person. Quite nice. I've had a few Asics runners in the past. Quite comfortable for everyday kind of walking. I wouldn't be doing any running on them, so. But these are nice. Design's really nice on the side. And then the laces as well. Kind of pop a little bit. And then just the side here as well. Actually quite nice looking. Tag as well. The first one, and the second one. Exact same. Quite nice. And then just on top there. See inside. Same kind of design. Quite nice, to be honest with you. So look forward to trying them out and seeing how comfortable they actually are in person, I guess. As I said, I'll just be using them for everyday kind of walking, so yeah, should be interesting. The cost of €150. That's them there. I got them on the Irish website, so that's enough shipping as well. If you want, you can also subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every so often. So yeah, thanks for watching. It's a quick unboxing of the Asics Novablast 5 Tokyo edition 1. Cheers, thanks for watching, bye.